be honest, Canggu is full of madness. But today I decided to join it, not to complain about it, because maybe being wild could be super fun. There are a lot of amusement parks in Canggu, but this one really caught my attention. Can you imagine? A selfie museum, a lab science, painting in the dark, all just for fun, and that sounds really fun. So let's check it out. Let's go there. First thing first, the Selfie Museum. They have over 25 backgrounds in this area. They provide costume and some cute accessories. Well, basically, this is just a playground for you who love photos, fashion, or just love to being extra. But honestly, I couldn't wait for the next activity, so I'm gonna skip this one and let you try it by yourself when you come here. And let's moving on. We're going to the next activity. Now this is the one that I couldn't wait. I don't know what we're doing here, but seems like we're going to be a scientist.
My name is Gladys and my friend is Itinerary.
Hi. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
The bubble is going up. Oh, it's getting more bubble. Wow. So this is the last experience. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, that was super fun. We've done 4 experiments. I kind of forgot what the name is, but all of them is just super fun. And it was really safe. We are using gloves, goggles, and this lab's jacket. The interior is also super interesting. We got several of elements, this telescope, scientific ingredients, and the scientists are there. This one is really perfect for children. Now let's go play with some colors. Wow. So we need to use this raincoat and boots. Okay. Now this is it. We're gonna painting in a dark room. It's basically like a glow-in-the-dark painting. I'm telling you, it's gonna be full of messy. And let's use this raincoat. Body. Oh, it's too big for me. Oh. So I'm going to paint on this t-shirt. All set, and now we are going to inside that room. So I drew a big smile right there. So they actually have two types of painting, one with the glow art and this is the wild art. Guys, turns out being a little messy could be super fun. Today I spent my afternoon at Wild Experience Bali and well, this is super messy but also creative. They are super recommended. They have a lot of activities, Selfie Museum, lab science, glow art, wild art, and also I think there is a cooking class like a mini kitchen, but I haven't tried it. Maybe you should try it next time. And also they do occasional party. It's also really affordable. It's starting only from $6 until $30 for one activity. So I think this place is really recommended if you are trying to explore your creative side. So yeah, Canggu is full of chaos, but maybe it could be way more fun if you're just trying to just enjoy and dive into it. Check description for the details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.